everybody, welcome back to my moment. The other day I did a research to see what is most trendy for 2020, either in routine, technique, makeup. So I came across Animal Print Eyeshadows and I was like, oh, I remember that used to be huge. And when I was in high school, my mom always blinged me up with such a beautiful nail, zebra prints, lion prints, leopard prints. She basically used me as a marketing billboard. So I'm definitely going to do a animal print eyeshadows, but I'm going to add in the inspired from Lisa Frank. If you don't know what this is, you don't have no childhood. Because I remember when I was a little kid, I love her stickers so much. I used to be a sticker whore with my cousin. We have a fight about it and we were like hogging it and we just love it so much. We were scared to even stick on something because it's going to be a waste, so we just collected and put it in our wooden box. It was so cute. So let's get started.
So first we are going to prime our face, and I'm using the Benefit, the Porefessionals, and I really enjoy this products because it does really do and smooth out the surface of my face. Next, I'm going to apply this primers, and I'm using Urban Decay Primer Potions, and I'm just going to apply all around my eyes. That's going to help me without creasing, and it's also going to help my color last longer. I'm going to apply a concealers or a MAC Pro Longwear paint pot, and the reason for this because I know that this eyeshadows that I'm using was not pigmented, so this is going to enhance the color. So go ahead and apply all around your lid because this is going to definitely help the color more vibrant. First, we are starting off in the colors yellow, and I'm using the 39L Hit the Light palette, and I'm just creating a little circles all around different spots of my eye. Grab the color green, and now I'm going to trace it in the outer part of the yellow, and this is the color that I use that is going to create a rainbow effect. The next colors that I'm using is the colors blue, and I'm creating an ombre effect drawing from the outer part of the colors green. And by the way, I'm still using the same brushes, and I'm just basically taking out the colors before dipping in the new color. Now it's time to be more creative. I'm just going to put a random dot of pink all around my eyelid. Is going to give it a really cool bubble effect. Next, I'm going to use a colors red, and I'm just going to dot in random spot that I have seen which is missing, and I'm just creating a little tiny circles around empty spot. I definitely want the inner corner of my eye to be glowy, so I'm using this color right here to trace out the inner corner of my eyes and also my tear duct, just to create a very dramatic look, and also it's going to have a eye-opening effect. Next, I'm going to grab the colors red and trace in the outline to be more defined and also creative. For the bottom lid, I'm going to trace in the colors black, and I'm just going to work that with an angle brush, drawing connected with the red color. Let's begin the fun part. I'm going to create a 3 dot, but thinking it's going to be a circle, and now I'm going to create 2 dot. It's also going to be in line like a circle, and I'm just going to randomly place it everywhere that is your goal, and using the tips of the eyeliner because it's going to be more precise. And also don't forget to add some random dot and swirling the line between those circles that you have drew, because this is the signature look for a leopard print. Let's add a little bit more fun. I'm using Urban Decay eyeliner glitters, and I'm just going to put that on top of the circle that I drew earlier, and I'm just going to place a random spot because we want to be artistic. Also, I want to line my under eyes with some glitters and sparkles to make a dramatic look. To define my eyebrows, you can choose for either white, and this one I'm choosing this glitter for a more beautiful reflections. Now it's time to add some black eyeliners. I'm going to create a wing line before I'm going to add in my false eyelashes. Now go ahead and add your favorite mascara to complete the look. I went back and added some black eyeshadows to extend those wing lines.
So I just finished the look. I'm going to do my makeup on this side now, so I'll be right back. I finished with my second eye. As you can see, both eyes are totally different color, and it is okay. It's abstract and also it's art, so you can do anything that you want to it. And it's also another trend in 2020 where you can have a different colors set of eyeshadows. Yes, it is a trend. So if you want a blue color in this side, if you want red or pink color in this side, it's absolutely okay. So next part, we are adding in our foundations. I mean, you have a dramatic eye like this, and if you don't do anything with your face, it looks extremely weird. So we're gonna complete the package by using Missha Perfect Cover BB creams, and this products I enjoy a lot, and I've been using a lot on my channel. And I'm using a damp beauty blender. Earlier we already put on primer. Do you hear that noise? Okay, this noise only happens when you damp your beauty brush. So if your beauty brush is not damp, girl, go damp your beauty brush, because it does make a difference on looking flawless. So now I'm going to contour my face using a Tarte Shape Tape, and I've been loyal, I'm telling you, loyal to this concealer. I have not used any other one. Whenever you blend out the light color, make sure that you're going to blend it upward. So right here could be light, especially this area. Instead of baking my face, I'm just going to kind of blend it in. And just in case if you don't know what you're doing, take this brush, do a number 3 like this, or you can think of a E, whatever you want.
Here's another technique to refine your cheekbone. I'm going to add some translucent powders under the area that I'm placing to lighten up the colors of bronzers. Now it's time to add some blushes. I really enjoy this color. This is from Ulta Beauties, which is called Cotton Candy, and I'm just targeting where my cheekbones, and I'm just going up toward the heaven. Now it's time to add some glitters in the high part of my cheekbone. I'm going to use the Diamond Glow. This is a beautiful glitters, and as you can see, I'm creating like a V shapes, so whenever I turn, it's definitely gonna follow me. Now I'm using a large fan brush to brush out all of the translucent powders excess. If you don't do this, you are definitely going to have a white cast in that spot. Now this step is also very critical for me, is that I need to contour my nose to create those fake beautiful bridge, because my nose is definitely flat. Since my eye is already dramatic, I definitely want to have more neutralized lip colors. I'm using Boosum. This is the lip liner's color Hush Hush. Now it's time to add some lip gloss. I'm using Boosum. The color is Hottie Toddy, and I really enjoyed this lip gloss because it gives me a tingling feeling and also it plump your lips. Now it's time to set and forget it. I'm using a MAC setting spray, and yes, it's a different bottle because I really enjoyed this mist.
I think this is my 15 or 20 time that I'm over here recording the same sentence, because this two guys standing in front of my window cutting grass back and forth, and it was super noisy. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Comment below what you want to see next, or any kind of idea for my next video. Make sure to subscribe before you leave and ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out. What a perfect time that I'm over here filming and you guys just cutting the grass